How to see other viewers on Facebook story. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be discussing about if we can see other viewers on Facebook story or not. So let's find out. So first thing, just open up your Facebook application, and in this case I'll simply show you from my example, that is my story. As you can see, I've uploaded my story over here. So in this case I don't have any viewers, but in your case if you have any viewers, then you should see the option that is other viewers at the bottom. So let me just show you what I mean. So if you see something like this at the bottom, that is others, so which are the viewers who are not yet your friends. So due to privacy reason, the Facebook simply doesn't allow you to see all of the others viewers directly. But what you can do, or why that happens, is because of your public settings from your story. So you can just simply disable it if you don't want it, just like this, by simply heading over to hamburger icon and just tap on the settings and just select settings and privacy and head over to your settings once again. And once you're inside here, finally scroll all the way down and you should see the stories section. Now simply tap on this, and that is happening because you have set this option, that is who can see your stories, to public. So if you don't want that option, that is others, you can just set it to friends and friends. So because of the Facebook privacy reason, you cannot simply view that others viewers on your Facebook just like that. So I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.